Want to play online or download a game but can't find Wi-Fi? No worries. You can quickly connect your Nintendo Switch to your Android phone's hotspot. Let's get it done smoothly, with zero connection issues. Step 1. Turn on mobile hotspot on Android. Get your Android phone at hand. I'll be using my Samsung phone for this, but the process is literally the same for other Android devices. So open your Settings app, go to Connections or Network and Internet, toggle on Bluetooth. After that, tap on Mobile Hotspot and Tethering. Now tap on Mobile Hotspot again. In this menu, turn on Mobile Hotspot. Here you will see your network name, password and everything. You'll be needing this to connect with your Switch. Keep the screen open as we move on to Step 2. Step 2. Connect Switch to Hotspot. Now get your Switch at hand. On your Switch, go to System Settings. Scroll down to Internet. Now tap on Internet Settings. Wait for the hotspot name to show up. Let it search. Then select your Android hotspot name. Enter the hotspot shown on your phone screen. And simply connect. You're now using your Android data on your Switch. That's all there is to connecting your Nintendo Switch to your Android hotspot. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more handy tips. Catch you in the next one.